Hey everyone, it's been a while, right? I haven't posted anything here a long time, mostly because of I am busy with university works, lectures, exams, assignments, all the stuffs. But yeah, I am finally back, and I got something super cool to share with you. So recently, I took part into the hackathon called Codex, hosted by University of Moradua. It was such a fun experience. I got to solve real world problems, work under pressure, and just enjoy the whole vibe. And that's when I thought, what if I create my own hackathon? So I got to work and spent some time to building it from scratch, and now it's ready. Uh, so I'm super excited to introduce my own hackathon called DevX. And best part, you can join too. If you are into coding, fixing bugs, and want to test your skills, this is your chance. It's super similar to how people contribute to the open source projects. So it's great practice too if you want to get it into that too. You will also get a chance to see your score live on a leaderboard. So the more you bugs fix, the higher you go. So yeah, that's what I have been working on lately. I will show you quick demo how to contribute this hackathon. So watch it and give us a try, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you are passionate about coding, love solving problems, or just want to challenge yourself a bit, come join DevX. It's gonna be a fun, competitive, and great way to learn. Okay, that's it. See you in the leaderboard. Let's see how to contribute this hackathon. First, you need to fork this repository and create a fork. And after creating a fork, you can clone this repository using git clone command. After cloning, you can open this project using IntelliJ IDE. You can refer the readme.tmd file. All these steps are included in this file. First, you need to create .tmd file and create environmental variables according to .tmd example file. Make sure you use correct MySQL username and password. And run this application. And if you have in a Lombok error, please follow these steps. Then it will be okay. You need to choose obtain processor from project class path. Now it's working. You can refer the Swagger URL also. You can earn 105 points from fixing all the bugs, and each bug includes the 5 points. After fixing bug, you have to commit to the changes and push to the branch. Then go to the GitHub and open a pull request to main repository. After you open a pull request, GitHub automatically find your progression according to your contribution, and you can repeat the same steps, fix the bugs, commit the changes and close the pull request and reopen the pull request. That's it. So don't wait, join in, challenge yourself, and have fun. Hit that like button if you're excited and drop a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe. More cool stuff is coming soon. See you at DevX.